Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a router bit here, and this one here is going to be a, what does it say? It says it's a 1/4 inch shank and 1 3/8 inch for the device here. But let's go ahead and I'll show you what we have here. So this is it here. It's going to cut a rounded end groove as it's going in there. So you can do one this way and one this way, and then they will match together. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in my router and give this thing a little try and see how we do. Hopefully I can show you guys in one of these corners what it's doing. I might just even just stick it in my drill bit or something like that in the meantime, just because my router table is in the freezing cold garage, but I'll over on the other side of town. But this one here, I can just kind of show you how it works.
So my router is broken, but just imagine this on a router bit, and you see the way it's spinning around like that? And so it's gonna just be taking off that type of profile. So you'll end up with that profile in there. So this isn't gonna drill anywhere near as fast as it needs to go like a router does. So just to kind of show you that on a drill. But so you just feed your wood through, and then it'll end up with that profile, and it'll, if you do one this way and then one this way, they'll fit in together because you'll have that groove that they'll be able to match. So that's kind of gives you a general idea of it. So if you one upside up, one upside down, and they'll fit together. So you kind of have almost a tongue and groove that you'll be getting. But really cool bit. And once I get my router back, I'll be able to use it. So thumbs up.